guys. Malakas ba? So, ito na guys. Magtambol na tayo. Pero, lang tingnan ko sa akin. Gusto mo Pretty Little Liar? Maganda yun, di ba? Wait, try yan. Lang. Pretty Little Liar, what you gonna say? The way that you love me, lying to my face. I know you double cross me. Girl, you're such a fake. What a shame, guess my lover was a snake. What you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, lying to my face. Gusto mango. Pero wala kaming ganyan eh. So tingnan mo. Wala kaming ganyan. Ito lang oh. Wala kaming ganyan. Wala. So guys, ano ko? Pero may purple kayo doon. Pero guys, ano gusto nyo? So ito si Jesus. Favorito namin to. Si Jesus. Talaga, favorito namin si Jesus. So guys, that bed. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll make you up. I'll go to bed. Yeah. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make you a cup of coffee for your head. I'll make a cup of coffee out of bed. Yeah. Wala kaming Blackpink eh. Sabihin nilang yun eh. Ay, hindi. Pero kami sad song, sad music. You show me foreign night. You show me foreign the night, in the light. And you and me. Ayun o, ma. You show me for enough. Bakit? Pero guys, nagnonood si mama ko. Kaya nga, isip lang ako. I want to change my mind. Yeah. I want to change my mind. Yeah. It's you and me. I don't know who I am. So guys, kaya bang entry pa na ko? So guys, ano yun? Narinig ko. So guys, may tulog sa babae, kaya ninahina ko. Sige, practice ako.